My name is Farooq Iqbal, and I'm working in the University of Lahore Teaching Hospital and University College of Medicine as Professor of Medicine and Head Department of Medicine. I am the part of UCMD since 10th of March 2016, and before that I was working as a Professor and Head Department of Medicine at Sheikh Zayed Medical Complex, and I retired as Chairman and Dean Sheikh Zayed Medical Complex in 2016. My favorite memory, if I recall, was when we got A plus grade, and we were fourth in the whole list of renowned medical colleges as decided by or as announced by the Pakistan Medical Commission. My relationship with the students are very good.
मैं डॉक्टर फ़ारूक का स्टूडेंट था, अब उनका कॉलीग हूँ। पहले एज ए स्टूडेंट थे हम, फिर एज ए कॉलीग आ गए। ये ट्रांजिशन काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्मूथ थी। जब भी हम उनके पास गए, किसी भी टाइम वो ऑल टाइम अवेलेबल होते हैं और वो वार्मली वेलकम करते हैं।
Well, if I look back, we had very strange methods of teaching, and we were just like teachers, and the students were listeners. But I think as the years have passed by, the system of medical education has evolved a lot. I feel really elated. I feel really proud that those students who were yesterday being taught by us now are sitting in front of us, and they are seeing the patients. We are seeing the patients rather collectively, and imparting knowledge as well. And if I look back a few years, those of my students whom I taught them, whom I supervised for their postgraduate examinations, they have now posts of professors, and I really feel very happy to see them.
आई वो स्टूडेंट हेयर सर जब हमारे प्रोफेसर थे तो सर ने हमेशा बहुत हेल्पफुल रहे हैं। हमारा कोई भी इशू होता था मेडिसिन के रिलेटेड तो हम सर से डिस्कस करते थे। और अब एज अ पीजीआर हूँ मैं, और डॉक्टर फ़ारूक हमारे सुपरवाइज़र है, तो एज अ सुपरवाइज़र भी वो हमेशा हेल्पफुल रहे हैं।
I think it's very important for a teacher to keep in touch with the students, to ask their progress, as we have quite a few students in UCMD who become alumni. They are settled in very good posts in America, in UK, and in other countries of the world, and we really feel very happy and very proud that those students are doing or they are performing their level best. Well, I think administrative jobs and the other jobs and a doctor is pretty sensitive, and it's a very stressful life as well, because you have to deal with the patient's lives, and you don't treat them as dummies. They are live human beings, and everybody's stressed. Perhaps doctors are too much stressed, so perhaps it was stress which caused me to have a bit of angina, but I didn't delay, and I sorted it out, and I underwent coronary bypass grafting.
Dr. Farooq Iqbal is one of the best teachers we have here at UCMD. He has been very encouraging and he has been very devoted towards our teaching. During the time he had his bypass surgery, he was very concerned about our exams and our teaching. He remained in touch through online classes as well as through text messages and phone calls.
I would advise them from the core of my heart that you are working in a very noble profession, and you have to deal with patient's life. You never know how much patient is suffering when he comes to you, so be gentle, be very sympathetic, and be thorough in their examination and in suggesting the treatment.